Hey guys, me Piper. I'm here on Kawaii Craft today and I'm going to be doing my first ever series. It's raining really hard, so yeah. It's called Overpopulated. Yeah, guess what we're overpopulating? Dogs. Yes. Yeah, so let's get right into this. Oh, cats. Cats. Oh, dog there, dog there. I'm in creative right now. Ooh. Dogs might go extinct someday, so I'm making sure they don't. They will never go extinct. Give them nates. I will feed some of you guys, so then you can have babies. Where'd the other one go? Stop jumping around, people. Where'd the other? Ah! Yeah, guys. So, they're everywhere. Have babies. Yeah. Okay, so now we overpopulate more. Overpopulate animals. That's my goal. Have babies together. Oh. Oh, I love this. Yeah. Place one there, place one there, place one there. Place one here, place one here, place one here. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. My children. See, it's a paradise. Don't mind this. Yeah, don't mind it. Seriously. Okay, I'm gonna find somewhere I can, oh, wow, that's a lot of dogs. I'm gonna find, like, a place that I can just spread them out some. What about, right here. Well, no, let's do it. Wait, what is that? A baby dog? Wait, is that a baby? That's a baby dog. Where'd your mother go? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I just gave it a mother. But I hit the mother. Give it food. Give it food. I'm so sorry. Oh. Okay. Okay. The world's overpopulating. He had baby right in front of me too. Hello, dogs. Yeah, last night there was a huge storm. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing this until it turns like morning. And next episode, I'm gonna be overpopulating more animals. All the animals I'm gonna be overpopulating. I don't even know if this video is interesting. Overpopulating. Woo! Overpopulate. We are overpopulating the world. Poor cats. When I do cats, they're gonna be so in distress because they're gonna be like, no, there's dogs everywhere. Some cats like dogs though. I don't know. I don't know anymore. Ah! I'm placing them. Huh. Oh, I'm so sorry. I keep on accidentally hitting them. Hey. Oh God. Wait. Yeah, no. Get him. Yes, overpopulate. I don't know where. In my house, like on Kawaii Craft, right in this world, I have so many animals in my in my house. Probably more. Oh, than the server has. I'm sorry for hitting you, my children. And my grandchildren. My grandchildren children. Make sure to overpopulate. Hang on, let me just up. I accidentally fly mode enabled. Yeah. So we're gonna place one here, place one here, place one here, place one here, place one here. Perfect. Ta-da! Dum. I'm gonna place them in the water, you know. Like, some like to be born in water. It's just refreshing. Yes! Oh, place one there. Place one there, place one there, place one there. Oh, ah! Oh my god. So is the world overpopulated now? Oh, it's turning morning. Oh boy. Place one here, place one here, place one here, place one here. Yeah. I am going to be making another overpopulated video tomorrow. Because it's a series. Yes, series. Oh my god. These animals are getting crazy. Yeah, guys. I'm going to try and place 50 more dogs somewhere. And then I probably should end the episode. But then I'm going to show you around my house. Because I made a short, but I'm going to add in this too. I'm going to show you how many animals are in my house. They're probably hungry. Overpopulating the world. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 20 more, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37. I'm sorry, let's check. 37, 38, 39, 40, 10 more. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Okay, let's look at that. Oh my god. So, do you think we have enough dogs now running around? I'm gonna add 2 more. You know, just to be sure. Making it even. Wow. There's at least 100 dogs in this. Stop moving. I wanted 2 to be in the middle, just like being king and queen. Yes. Never mind. Okay, now I'm going to my house. And I'm gonna overpopulate a few more. Where's... am I lost? Am I lost? Oh god, I'm scared. I don't want to be lost. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Where am I? So... this is happening. Just placing some dogs around while I look for my house. You know, cause look at this color. Ba, 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 ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think that's my house. Guys, I can't find my house. I'm lost. Okay. Why is it so mountainy? Here, I'm gonna place some up here. No. Wow. I can't find my house. Okay, guys. I am officially lost. I'm gonna place some up here, too. I'm lost. Wait, I remember this. But where is my house? Guys, I don't think I'm ever gonna find a way to, get home. Because this place is huge. Guess, I'm just placing dogs around. So, guys, I'm gonna have to find my way home. Well, I know what I'm naming this video. So now I'm lost, and I can't find my animal friends. Except for these guys. So, yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. While I try to find my home, you guys please try and like and subscribe if you hope I find my home. Yay! Yeah. I'll be making another video tomorrow of overpopulating more animals. I'm going to be overpopulating every animal. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Have a great day while I try and find my home. Oh, okay, guys, bye.